During the consult, we discovered she just wants a tiny face frame. We've got that veil that we want to mesh the back and the front together. So we're going to spread that out strategically, and using a brush, we will pull it all into a half up and then add an X pin. Remember to work with gravity, not against, so place your bobby pins down and make an X for more hold. Step 2 is we are going to tie it off with a heavy duty ponytail. Then we split that section in two. Once you have it split in two, you're going to brush that section out to make sure you have as little frizz as possible. Split the section into two and start twisting around. You don't want to do it too tightly. And then when you're finished with the twist and you get to the bottom, just go ahead and tie off with a little tiny elastic. When you're plumping, try not to frizz the hair up too much. We use a texture spray and then just lightly pull. And as you can see, as we start to take one of those sections, we want to twist around the ponytail. And then take the little end where the hair tie is, the elastic, and stick 2 bobby pins in right where the hair tie is. That'll help you with hold. Once you've done that, you can start to pin the actual bun into place. But first, get that tail secured really well. As you can see here, I'm using hairpins for spreading the hair out and making it wider. Then I'm gonna wrap the other twist around. Remember that tail where the elastic is where you wanna use bobby pins to secure really well. But then you can use hairpins for the rest because you don't want it to be too tight. I'm using a texture spray to plump and check all of the different angles to make sure it is visually appealing. And then I use a little bit of oil to get any of those little hairs that look a little too frizzy. I get those tamed.